So you may have some metadata templates that you have made. So what you can actually do is you can go ahead and edit it out as you like as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the tools menu, and then you can go around over here onto edit metadata template right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that sample tutor is an option, which is a metadata template that I created. So I can simply click right here, and then it opens it up right here. So let's just go around and change the name to sample tutor tube, and then over here let me disable the address, and then let's say for example I'm going to go around and say tutor tube channel right here in the creator name right here. So once I go ahead and do that and hit the save button, what happens is that the metadata template gets created out, and that is how you can go ahead and then create out like let's say for example edit out metadata that you created inside of Adobe Bridge. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.